everyone, and welcome to AI Learning Podcast. I'm James, your host, and today I'm thrilled to be joined by my co-host, Ethan. We're here to help you explore the exciting world of artificial intelligence, one step at a time. Today's episode is all about the basics, answering a question we often hear: what is artificial intelligence? This will be a beginner's guide to understanding AI.
Thanks, James. And hi, everyone. It's great to be here. You might be wondering why learning about AI is so important. Well, as technology advances, AI is becoming part of our everyday lives, from the way we communicate to how we shop, and even the shows we watch. So, understanding AI basics is really helpful for anyone looking to keep up with the future.
Exactly, Ethan. In this episode, we'll break down what AI is, how it works, and where it shows up in our daily lives. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious, we'll make sure you walk away with a solid understanding of artificial intelligence. All right, let's dive right in. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? Simply put, AI is a branch of computer science that's all about building machines capable of performing tasks that would normally require human intelligence. Think of it as creating software and systems that can mimic human thinking and decision-making processes. It's not just about programming computers to do specific tasks, but giving them the ability to learn and adapt on their own.
Exactly, James. And what makes AI so fascinating are its key characteristics. Things like learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and even language understanding. When we talk about learning, we mean that AI can analyze data and improve over time. Reasoning is where it can make logical decisions based on information. Problem-solving allows it to find solutions, often in real time, while perception is how it interprets and understands images or sounds.
James. Right. And when it comes to language understanding, that's where AI can interpret, process, and even respond to human language. A great example of this is when you use virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. These AI systems understand your words, find answers, and respond to your questions, like a conversation, right?
Ethan, exactly. It's these everyday applications that make AI relatable and show its potential. Another example could be recommendation systems, like when Netflix suggests a new show based on what you've watched before. That's AI using past data to predict what you might like.
James. So while AI might sound complicated, these real-life examples like Siri, Alexa, and even Netflix recommendations help us see it's already here, shaping our lives in ways we might not even realize. And as it grows, understanding AI can give us insight into where technology is headed. Now that we have a basic understanding of what AI is, let's talk about the different types of AI. There are two main types to know about: narrow AI and general AI. These terms might sound technical, but they're actually pretty straightforward once you understand the differences.
Right. So, let's start with narrow AI. This is the kind of AI we see most often today. Narrow AI is specialized, meaning it's designed to perform a specific task or a limited set of tasks. It doesn't think or act like a human in a broad sense. It's focused on one particular function. For example, when you think of AI in self-driving cars, it's all about navigating roads and interpreting traffic data. That's narrow AI in action.
Exactly. Narrow AI is powerful within its scope, but isn't capable of doing things outside its programmed tasks. Other examples include virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, which are great at answering questions or setting reminders, but aren't capable of doing anything beyond what they were designed for.
Then we have general AI. This is a much broader concept, and it's really still a theoretical idea at this point. General AI would mean an AI that can think, learn, and perform any intellectual task that a human can do. It would be able to adapt to new situations and understand the world as humans do. Think of it like having a digital brain that could tackle any challenge, learn new skills, or switch between completely different tasks, just like we do.
Right, and that's a big difference. While narrow AI is already part of our daily lives, general AI remains a future goal, one that researchers are working toward but hasn't been achieved yet. Many believe general AI could change everything, but it also comes with big challenges and even ethical questions.
So, to sum it up, narrow AI is what we have now, highly specialized and focused on specific tasks like language translation or facial recognition. General AI, on the other hand, is the ultimate goal where AI could perform any intellectual task like a human. It's still far off, but represents the full potential of AI technology.
Understanding these two types gives us a better picture of where we are with AI today and where we might be heading in the future. It's a fascinating journey. All right, now that we've covered the types of AI, let's take a look at how AI actually works. One of the foundational technologies here is machine learning, or ML. Machine learning is a subset of AI that essentially allows machines to learn from data. Instead of being programmed with step-by-step instructions, machines analyze data and, over time, can make decisions or predictions based on that data.
Exactly. And then there's something called deep learning, which is a more complex form of machine learning. Deep learning uses structures called neural networks, which are actually inspired by the way our brains work. Neural networks allow computers to process information in layers, identifying patterns and making decisions in a way that's much more sophisticated than traditional machine learning.
Think of it like this. Imagine a child learning what a dog is. They might see different pictures of dogs, hear the word dog, and eventually start recognizing dogs in real life. Machine learning is similar. The more data or examples it's given, the better it becomes at identifying patterns or making predictions. So, just as a child learns by example, machine learning systems improve as they're exposed to more data.
Yes, and with deep learning, the layers in these neural networks allow the machine to process data in increasingly complex ways. Think of it like peeling an onion, where each layer looks deeper into the data, refining its understanding. For instance, the first layer might just identify shapes, the next layer might identify textures, and finally, it recognizes a dog's face. These layers build up a very accurate model from the data.
So, machine learning is like teaching by showing examples, and deep learning goes even further by organizing data in complex layers, almost like how we process information in our brains. This is how AI can recognize voices, images, and even predict outcomes in real time.
Exactly. This ability to analyze and learn from data in increasingly complex ways is what makes AI so powerful, and why it's being used in everything from medical research to self-driving cars.
It's fascinating technology. And understanding these key technologies, machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks, gives us insight into how AI learns and improves over time. It's what allows AI to handle complex tasks and make decisions that feel almost human. Now that we have a solid understanding of how AI works, let's take a look at how AI is actually used in our daily lives. You might not realize it, but AI is already all around us. One of the most common places we encounter AI is through recommendation systems, like the ones used by Netflix or YouTube. Have you ever noticed how these platforms suggest movies or videos that seem to match your tastes? That's AI at work. It analyzes your past behavior, what you've watched, liked, or searched for, and uses that data to predict what you might want to watch next.
Right, and it's not just entertainment. AI is making big strides in healthcare too. In fact, some AI systems are already being used to help doctors with diagnostics. For example, AI can analyze medical images, like X-rays or MRIs, to detect early signs of diseases like cancer. It's incredibly powerful because it can analyze these images faster and sometimes more accurately than a human doctor could.
That's amazing. And AI's impact doesn't stop there. It's also transforming the financial world. In finance, AI is used for fraud detection. It monitors transactions in real time and can spot patterns that might indicate fraudulent activity, things that would be difficult for a human to catch as quickly.
Exactly. And one more place where AI has made a significant impact is customer service. You've probably interacted with a chatbot on a website before. Chatbots are AI-powered systems that help answer customer questions, solve problems, and even guide you through processes like booking a flight or ordering food. They use natural language processing to understand what you're saying and respond with helpful information.
AI is everywhere, and understanding how it works in everyday applications is so important. It's shaping how we interact with technology, and it's only going to become more embedded in our lives. The better we understand it, the more we can adapt to and use these advancements to our advantage.
Exactly. Whether it's recommending what you should watch next or helping a doctor diagnose a disease, AI is improving so many aspects of our lives, and it's only going to keep evolving.
As we dive deeper into AI, it's important to address some of the common myths and misconceptions surrounding it. One of the biggest myths is that AI is going to take over all jobs and leave humans unemployed. While it's true that AI can automate certain tasks, it's not about replacing humans entirely. Instead, AI is meant to complement our work, handling repetitive or time-consuming tasks, so humans can focus on more creative or complex tasks. It's all about collaboration, not competition.
Exactly. Another misconception is that AI has emotions or consciousness like humans. This is a popular idea in movies and fiction, but in reality, AI doesn't have feelings, desires, or awareness. AI is a tool created to solve specific problems or complete tasks. It can process data and make decisions based on that data, but it doesn't feel like we do.
That's right. It's also important to talk about AI ethics and safety. As we use AI more in everyday life, we have to make sure it's being used responsibly. AI systems need to be designed in ways that are fair, transparent, and secure, and that's something researchers and developers are constantly working on. It's crucial to ensure that AI serves humanity in a positive and ethical way.
Yes, safety and ethics are key. AI is a powerful tool, and as with any powerful tool, we need to make sure it's used properly. So, while there are a lot of misconceptions about AI, it's clear that it's not some super intelligent robot taking over the world. It's a technology that's here to help us solve problems and improve our lives.
So, why is it important to learn about AI? Well, AI is no longer just a future concept. It's already shaping our world and will continue to do so in the coming years. Understanding AI is essential not only for those pursuing careers in technology, but also for anyone wanting to stay ahead in today's rapidly changing job market. From healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, AI is becoming a part of almost every industry.
Absolutely. The more you understand AI, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the future. It's influencing the way we live and work, and the opportunities for innovation are endless. So, keep learning. Whether it's through podcasts like this one, online courses, or books, there's so much to discover, and you don't want to be left behind as AI continues to evolve and shape our future.
James. All right, to wrap things up, today we explored what artificial intelligence is all about. We discussed its definition, the different types of AI, and how it works through key technologies like machine learning and deep learning. We also looked at real-world examples of AI and addressed some common myths and misconceptions. Hopefully, this episode has helped you understand the basics of AI and its role in our world.
Next week, we'll dive deeper into one of the most exciting topics in AI right now, machine learning in action. We'll explore how machine learning algorithms are used in everything from recommendation systems to self-driving cars. It's a topic you won't want to miss.
Thank you all for tuning in. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to the AI Learning Podcast so you won't miss any future episodes. We'd love to hear from you, so feel free to leave us feedback or questions. We'll be back next time with more insights into the fascinating world of AI. Take care and keep learning.